Hello guys, it's the Vanishing Chameleon, and so this is just a little bit of background information for the video you are about to see. I was on vacation in Colorado, and we stopped by Telluride, a famous ski resort, and I took pictures around town for the nature part of the channel. This is the first video of me doing it, so my editing was kind of rough and bland, but as I get further into it, I hope that will change, and then the videos would be able to be a little bit better. That's all I gotta say. On to the video.